Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick comparison video because now we're starting to have some offerings like the EV6 and EV9 where you have some letters and a number. And what do those mean? Well, the EV of course means electric vehicle, and I have both of them right here. This is the EV9 and these are awesome. Just came out, 3-row family SUV, all electric with an impressive amount of range and capability. You can comfortably fit 6 or in some seating configurations 7 adults with no one complaining. Now a ton of room, but of course for some people this might be a little overkill, and the styling, while fantastic, might not be your cup of tea. Meet the EV6, and if you're driving more often by yourself but maybe have some friends and want some space for them, you cannot go wrong. It's considered a mid-size crossover despite its swept back sort of shooting brake looks. You have the capability and cargo capacity of a lot of mid-size crossovers, but still, again, just beautiful styling and might cater a little bit more to someone who is more focused on the driver experience and sport and fun rather than making sure that you have a lot of people who are in a lot of comfort. So if you're trying to figure out what might fit your needs best, we have an exciting array of options for both, as well as some different electric models like the electric Nero, and it can be confusing. We're happy to help navigate anything you need. Just shoot us a call or stop by today.